Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making what I call Wildfire Burger. Okay, and what you're going to need for this is you're going to need about 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 package or envelope of the onion soup mix, and be a half of a cup, which is about 3 jalapeno peppers, and a cup and a half of shredded cheese. This is Kobe and Monterey Jack. I like that better than cheddar, but you can do cheddar, so that's on your own thing. I like the Kobe and Monterey Jack. Okay, that's for the patty. Now for the actual build of the sandwich, you're going to need some hamburger buns. These is potatoes, so if you're gluten, need something that's gluten free, this will do. I think that's what I've heard. You also need some Chipotle mayonnaise. I got some spicy ketchup, and then some spicy brown mustard, and you got your jalapeños, and then your pepper jack cheese. So let's get this going and enjoy. I know you all enjoy it, especially if you like hot stuff. If you're not used to hot stuff, this does have a little bit of warmth, but if you're into hot stuff, it's got a little bit, but not too bad. It's kind of, but that's all on how you guys do your hot stuff. So let's get this started. I'll show you how to do it, and we'll enjoy it. Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do to get prepped for all this here, of course I got the cheese already measured out here, so the only really prep work we got to do is cut up your peppers. So we'll just almost rinsed off on the outside here, and then we'll pop off the thing. Cut that in half. Alright. Now, and we're gonna want to just take this and clean this out, and want to make sure you clean your seeds out, unless you really want it really hot. This seeds in the vein in the middle part is where all the heat, the capsaicin is, and that's where the heat comes from, so they'll keep the heat down a little bit. So but you just want to take it and cut it long ways here. Okay, and then you'll just cut them up real fine, nice little dice. Get it chopped up there. It's real easy. You don't need to look fancy or anything. It's going in the middle of a burger, and people are just going to enjoy the look of it. And just put it in the little measuring cup as you go. Okay, so you can see there, it's all finely chopped up, a little rough. Alright, I'm going to finish cutting this pepper up, and I'll be right back with the rest. Okay guys, let's start getting the patties together here. And what we're going to need to do first, we're going to open up this ground beef. And it put in here. Okay. All right. Now we'll put in a cup and a half of cheese. Put in our peppers. And this turned out to be 2 peppers, but it's a half a cup. And depending on the size of your jalapeno peppers, it'll be about 2 to 3. You can put a little bit more, a little less, depending on your liking. But I think about a half cup is perfect. And then your onion mix we'll put in here. This is 2 pounds of ground beef. So, alright, and we just take this and just get everything folded in, mixed in. Just get it folded in on top of him there. Just want to make sure you can get the cheese and the pepper mixed in. Alright, I think that's good. Alright. Let me get a little bit more mixed in here. Alright, just give me another minute here. Be right back. Okay, now that we got this mixed in or mixed together, I'm just gonna grab a little bit and we're gonna make basically 8 meatballs like that, about equal size. Try to get them all about the same size. And just kind of get good around it in there. And you can pack these down yourself, or you can use what I'm gonna get ready to use. You should be able to find at your grocery store or Walmart. And a little bit of looking. So making these or make this one just a little bigger. Get it squashed in there. Alright, so there we got the 8 balls. Throw that over there. Alright. Next thing you're going to do, I got these little hamburger makers, patty makers. I'm just gonna at least spray it a little bit as we get it done here. And just put a meatball in. 1, 2, and you just take the handles here and just push down. Okay, and just pop that out. So you got your hamburger patty. And well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up, and I'll see you here shortly. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the patties all done here. I made 8 patties. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook these on the George Foreman grill. You can put these right on your grill outside, cook it outside on the charcoal or gas. I'm just going to put this out here. You can fit actually 5 hamburgers on here. This here. And put this down. What I like about the George Foreman grill, it cooks it on both sides, so it takes half the time. Put it on there for about 10 minutes and get it cooked real good. And we'll cook these later on. So you'll have a good time with the thing, with your friends and family. And so we're going to let these cook, then I'll show you how to assemble the burger. Okay, as you guys can see, these are all pretty much done, but you know, just flip them over just a little bit. Just to kind of get it in there, just to a little bit of grill marks on there, but they're done. So we're just gonna put a little cross stitch on the side on there, but just flip it over just to give it a little bit more even cooking looking. But they're pretty much already done. We're just gonna let it hit for a minute here, then we'll pull it out. Okay guys, as that's finishing up, we're gonna start getting the straight. I got the potato bun. So we're gonna want, what you want to do with this is get your jalapeno or your Chipotle mayonnaise. Put a little bit on your bun. Now the mayo, the purpose of it is that the fat actually helps with where the bun don't get soggy. So that's why you put the mayonnaise down in the bottom there. And the next thing you want to do is take your jalapenos and spread them around on the bottom bun. And then what I do is put a little bit of the spicy brown mustard on there and a little bit of the ketchup, a little spicy ketchup. Now we're going to open this up and look at those hamburgers. Don't they look good? So what we're going to do is take this one right here and sit it on here. Alright, there we go. Set that on there. And we'll flip this over. And there you go. Look at that That is a Wildfire Burger right there with the pepper jack cheese. So we'll let's go ahead and get these off of here, and then we'll give this a good taste here. All right, so here we go. Let's give this a good taste here. Here we go. Good. Got good flavor, good heat. Like I said, if you're used to eating hot stuff, this got a little bit of warmth. If you're not used to eating hot stuff, it's probably way too hot for you, but it's good. That's why I call it the Wildfire Burger. So, well, and it cooked perfectly all the way through. I'm gonna enjoy eating this. I love eating these. Okay, guys, take time to comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a cooking video like this every Saturday. And also I do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So I'll catch you guys on the next video, and just remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to finish enjoying this burger. Oh.